Need a safe, reliable, and versatile way to work at heights? Our Telehandler Man Basket is the perfect solution for any job site, delivering unmatched safety, durability, and efficiency. Built from heavy-duty steel with reinforced components, it's engineered to withstand tough conditions while meeting OSHA, ANSI, and CSA safety standards. This basket boasts a 1,000-pound lift capacity, accommodating multiple workers or tools with ease. Featuring 2 convenient side entry gates and ample workspace, it's designed for maximum productivity and safety. Getting started is quick and straightforward. Begin by sliding the railing near the fork slot pins into place. Once secure, mount both side railings, ensuring they hook into the middle bar slots on the main railing. Finally, attach the last railing, making sure it connects firmly to the side railings. Secure all pins around the basket to lock everything in place. Once assembled and raised, securely fasten the basket's locking pins behind the machine's forks to ensure it's completely stable and safe. With both pins secured, you're ready to work with confidence. Ready to take your operations to the next level? Visit zumasales.com or call us today to learn more on how to get a man basket delivered to you.